If you need to unblock a sender on Yahoo Mail, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you accidentally block someone or you simply want to start receiving their emails again, this is a fast fix inside Yahoo Mail, and you can do it in just a minute or two. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps support the channel, and it keeps you up to date with more easy how-to videos. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, look toward the menu area on the left side or top of the page, depending on the layout you see. The next thing you want to do is click on More. This is where Yahoo keeps extra options, including the settings you need to manage blocked senders. After that, click on Settings. This opens the main settings menu for your Yahoo Mail account, where you can control your inbox preferences, security options, and blocked contacts. Now, in the settings area, click on Security and Privacy. This section is important because it contains the controls for blocked email addresses and account protection settings. Once you're in Security and Privacy, scroll down until you find the section labeled Blocked Addresses. Here, you'll see the list of all the email addresses you've blocked in the past. Take a moment to find the sender you want to unblock. If you have several blocked contacts, make sure you identify the correct one before removing it. When you're ready, click the remove icon next to that address. Yahoo will immediately unblock that sender, which means future emails from them should be able to reach your inbox again. That's all there is to it. No complicated steps, no extra tools, and no need to change anything else. Just go to Yahoo Mail, open More, open Settings, choose Security and Privacy, review your blocked addresses, and remove the one you want to restore. If you don't see the email right away, remember that it may also depend on your inbox filters or spam settings, so it's always a good idea to check those as well. But in most cases, unblocking the sender using this method is all you need. I hope this video helped you unblock a sender on Yahoo Mail quickly and easily. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Yahoo Mail tutorials or other email tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.